Gaurav, there is one more option for those of us who are looking to buy funds, because to buy a gold ETF, I have to have a demat account. And a lot of mutual fund investors don't have demat accounts. So then there's the gold fund. So what happens when I put 100 rupees in a gold fund is that it will invest in a gold ETF on my behalf. Is that a good way to go if I don't have a demat account? Or does it make sense to open the demat account and go into an ETF?
Yeah, one is that, obviously, if you don't have a demat account, you may want to consider that route. Another thing is that many times, if you want to do some kind of SIP, and in real life, what we've seen is people are not able to remain that disciplined. So if it's an ETF, you'll have to call your stockbroker every month, unless you're doing online trading or online buying and selling, number one. Number two, many times brokers, they're not too keen doing small size deals. So if you want to just keep purchasing gold worth 3,000 or 5,000 rupees, while they'll service you, but they aren't too excited about it. Now, if those are situations that you are in, then SIP into a gold fund of fund, which is like, which eventually goes into gold ETF, is a better option, because you will give away your 12 posted checks or, NEFT instruction or whatever. And you will also have a situation whereby you get a regular statement instead of demat account. So if you're a small time investor, or if you're somebody who's not going to remain disciplined for whatever reason, either because of your work or it's just that nature or whatever, then you may want to get into an SIP through fund.
But we must remember the fact that if it's 1% in a gold ETF, then I'll be paying even more on a gold fund.
You'll end up paying more, because you will have that fund of that extra additional charge on that.
How much could it possibly be? Could you give us a number?
So it probably could be 0.25% to 0.5%, whatever it is. So there would be an incremental number. It's 0.25. It will be that incremental cost that you'll be paying. So it's a cost that you're paying for not remaining disciplined. That's a cost that you have to pay.